to reach out, stop our world from spinning, find a new beginning for us. Even when I'm in doubt, gotta trust my instincts. I know you're standing with me. I still know the way